Hazrat Zayd bin Aslam reports from his father. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam was undertaking some journey, and one night Hazrat Umar bin Khattab was proceeding with him. So Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu asked him something, but he sallallahu alaihi wasallam did not reply. He asked him again, but the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam did not make a reply. He submitted for a third time, but he sallallahu alaihi wasallam did not answer him. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu said to himself, O Umar, may your mother weep over you. You made a request to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam thrice, but you remained deprived of the reply. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu says, I galloped my camel and outstripped the other Muslims. I feared lest a word should be revealed about me. After some time, someone called me. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu says, I was scared that a word might have been revealed in my connection. I then came to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and greeted him. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, yesterday night, such a chapter, Al-Fath, was revealed to me as is dearer to me than all those things on which the sun is risen. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then recited this verse, undoubtedly we have granted you a clear victory. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4177.